activation of the emergency alert system on KNA.
The Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County and southeastern Kansas until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Deering, or over Coffeyville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coffeyville, Cherryvale, Deering, Liberty, and Coffeyville Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Kansas.